Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then it just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Again, I realize this may look like it's several days worth of time, but it's just today's price action broken down into 30-minute slivers. Now, what I like about this one, and let me just move the chart over, gives a little bit more perspective. There we go. So that makes it a little bit easier to see, but a couple of the key levels going forward. Remember, the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so the next time this trades will be on Friday. So on Friday, the initial level of support that really stands out is right there at 50 cents. 50 cents important because, yeah, the price did make a nice little bounce here, represented by the increasing box there. However, then the price started to pull back. And on the pullback, this is always where things get a little sketchy because it's, okay, all right. And this will mean a little bit more to those that have traded for a while. But it starts to pull back and you're wondering, okay, is this thing totally going to roll over? Is this thing going to, build some sort of higher base and consolidate? And, the chart gave us the answer, and it did not roll over. It actually built a nice higher base right here. And again, at that green line, which is 50 cents. So 50 cents is going to be that ideal level of support going into Friday, where if the price can continue to hold above there, that would be a nice little sign of strength on the bulls' part. In the event 50 does not hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price eventually drift its way back down to, right around the 46-cent mark. I'm not saying that would occur in, a matter of, minutes or anything like that. Could take several hours or a couple of days, but, by no means is that some sort of gutsy call on my part to say that, if 50 can hold, then it wouldn't be shocking to see the price back around, the lows at 46. So these are going to be the key levels of support. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, initial level right here at 53 cents. And if you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you noticed that in the afternoon, whenever the price did get right up around that 53-cent mark, just can never quite push through it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into Friday. If the price can push through there, the next key level to watch after that would be up around the 56-cent mark. So interesting day, nice late day bounce, and not just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward. We shall see. But like I said, markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, and I wish you all a great and happy Thanksgiving. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.